What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues on your Windows PC. First, let's verify your Windows services. Open the Services Manager by searching for services in your Start menu. Once it's open, click on any service and type WLAN autoconfig to quickly locate it. Right-click on WLAN autoconfig and select Properties. In the General tab, ensure that the startup type is set to automatic. If the service isn't running, click Start to enable it. This service is essential for managing Wi-Fi connections on your PC. Next, ensure that your network adapter driver is up to date. Search for Device Manager in your Start menu and open it. In Device Manager, expand the Network Adapter section. Right-click on the network adapter you're running and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and allow Windows to check for the latest updates. If a new driver is available, it will install automatically. If the issue persists, open Settings and navigate to Network and Internet. Make sure the Wi-Fi toggle is enabled. Under the Wi-Fi section, click on Manage Known Networks. Find the network causing issues. Click on it and ensure the metered connection option is disabled. Metered connections can limit bandwidth, potentially affecting your Wi-Fi functionality. Now, let's try resetting your network settings. Go back to Network and Internet. Scroll down to Advanced Network Settings and click on Network Reset. This option will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters, clearing any misconfigurations. While doing this, restart your router or modem if you haven't already. A simple router restart can resolve many connectivity problems by refreshing your network connection. If none of these steps work, troubleshoot your internet connection. Head back to your settings, go to System, and select Troubleshoot. Under Other Troubleshooters, run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter. This tool scans for common issues and attempts to fix them automatically. Finally, restart your PC. Restarting helps apply changes, refresh processes, and resolve temporary issues that might prevent your Wi-Fi from working properly. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.